All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started with our hill climb workout. We're gonna be doing 2 minutes, nice warm up, get the legs ready to go. So nice comfortable position, overhand grip if you like. If you wanna monitor your pulse rate, you have pulse sensors on your bike, you can grab there as well. We're just gonna go at a nice smooth pace, a little bit of resistance. We wanna keep our RPMs at around 70 or 80. So let's get a nice comfortable pace, not too quick. Also don't want it to be too light. So make sure you got a little bit of gear on there, a little bit of resistance. Dial it up a little bit if you need to. We want to get your heart rate up so you're ready for these hill climbs. We're not going into them cold. So for this workout, we're going to be having a little bit more resistance than you may be usually doing for a faster cadence ride or more of a speed ride. So we're going to keep our RPMs or our cadence at its highest at 80. So where I'm cruising right now should be about as fast as your legs should be going. We want to focus on resistance with this workout. We have about 45 seconds left. We're going to be doing 1 minute at 80. We're going to increase our resistance from this point. We're going to hold it in the seated position for 1 minute. So we're going to start our hill climb, 1 minute, 80 RPMs. We're going to add a little bit more resistance. After that, we're going to go off the saddle, 2 minutes. We're going to bring our cadence down to around 60. We're going to increase the resistance even more. And then for the last minute, we're going to really crank it up, heavy resistance, keep that cadence low. We're going to climb up a steeper hill. So here we go. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Let's add some more resistance. We're going to keep that cadence at 80. 1 minute. Feel a little burn in those legs. Get that heart rate up a little bit. Keeping it at 80. If you're a little over that, that's okay. Just trying to keep it around 80 RPMs or 80 on your cadence meter. Got about 30 seconds left. Keep going. All right, remember, we're going to increase our resistance a little bit more for this next climb. 2 minutes, off the saddle, 60 RPM. So nice, easy pace. I'm going to add a little bit more gear. Here we go. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Add some more gear. Building your legs. 60 RPMs. Here we go. Nice and smooth. Good upright posture. Easy breathing. Pace yourself for this one. Okay, a little heavier on the legs. Keep it going, keep it going. Nice, easy breathing. Doing great, keep it up. Got 1 more minute left. Let's go. Getting ready for that last minute. A little bit more resistance. We're gonna hold your pace as best you can. This one's gonna be a little harder. Remember, it's only for 1 minute. We're gonna be seated for this one. We're really trying to push through with those legs. So it doesn't have to be a huge increase in gear, but definitely want you to feel it. Push yourself. Here we go. 20 more seconds, and we're gonna go into our seated climb. Doing our best for this last minute, so hold it. at about 60 RPMs. 3, 2, 1. Seated. A little bit more gear. Keep climbing. Let's go. Don't stop. Keep that pace up. Doing great. Seconds left. 10 seconds, come on. Keep those pedals moving. All right, 3 seconds, 2, 1, reduce tension. Bring that cadence back up. Woo. Round 1 done. Let those legs rest a little bit. Back up to 80 RPMs. Ooh, catch your breath. Get a drink of water if you need to. We're gonna do that 2 more times. So 2-minute hill climb coming up. Another 1-minute seated climb. And we're gonna repeat that for a 3rd round. All right, keep going, let's go. Get ready, 2 more minutes. Crank up that resistance a little bit. I'm gonna hold it at or above 60 RPMs. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 1, and crank it up. Off the saddle. Bring it back to that same resistance you had. 60 RPMs, here we go. You guys are doing great, keep it up. Burning lots of calories in this workout. It's only 15 minutes, make it count. All right, hold that pace. Nice steady breathing. All right. Remember, for this last minute, we're going to increase the resistance a little bit more. Hold our cadence at 60. Trying to hold it there. It can be a little bit lower, that's okay. But try to keep it at 60. Whew, back feels good. All right, got about 20 seconds left. Get ready to add a little bit more tension. Gonna be in a seated position for 1 minute. Really working on those legs. You guys are doing great. You're more than halfway there. All right, seated, increase. Come on, hold it there. Keep going. Give it all you got. Keep that pace up. 15 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, reduce tension. Back up to 80 RPMs. Clear it out, let those legs recover. Got one more round. 2 more minutes. 60 RPM, higher resistance, followed by 1 more minute, seated climb, and then you'll be done. You guys are doing great. Less than 5 minutes to go with this workout. Woo, finish strong. All right, 15 seconds, then we're going in for our last 2-minute climb. All right, 4, 3, 2, 1, and increase that resistance. 2 minutes. Gotta push yourself a little bit, get a little more gear on this last set. Keep it going, keep it going. That cadence at 60. Come on, you got this. Push through. I know it's hard, you can do it. Keep going. Whew. All right, a little less than a minute to go. Remember, we're finishing with 1 more minute. Seated climb, heavy resistance, pressing through. Come on. Best part of your day right here. Keep it up. Push through the finish line. Let's go. Less than 2 minutes left. Almost there. Five seconds. All right, seated climb, let's go. Push through. Keep that resistance high. Keep that cadence up. Keep breathing, let's go. Push through. 30 seconds left. You got this. Come on. Ten seconds. Let's go. All the way through. Don't stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Reduce tension. Whew. Let those legs recover. Catch your breath. Whew. Great job today. Take some time. Make sure you cool down. Let your heart rate come back down. Drink some more water. I'm gonna need a lot after this one. Gonna need a mop. All right, those legs recover. Great job today. Thank you for joining me on this hill climb. Keep it up. Come back and we'll do it again.